Hey YouTubers! Today I'll show you how to repair the lens shade on a Minolta Maxxum AF 28mm focus 2.8. This is the first time I'm disassembling the 28mm lens. For some reason the lens shade got loose. Okay, what you need is to have such a rubber thing I have here. It's from the Baumarkt or Home Depot. The first thing you do is unscrew the nameplate ring, and yes, this has a thread, so it's not a clipping ring like on the Canon FD 1.850 or 1.450mm. Underneath you're going to find 3 screws you need to unscrew. So that is here the actual sunshade. As you can see, there is a silicone tube which is not in the groove. And here is the thing which causes the problematics. First I was under the impression that is a bayonet type thing in the back with the small ring, or it has a thread or something, but no, that must have been glued on originally. Pushing that silicone tube back into the groove on the sunshade with a flat screwdriver, as you can see. So I cleaned it a little bit. And I still were under the impression that it somehow clicks in, but that was not the case. Okay, as you can see, I have already the super glue ready. I was trying to see if something changed. So it came right off again, and I had to put that silicone tube back into the groove. This way you see it 2 times. Clean that ring a little bit, and luckily that piece was very helpful to keep the ring in place, or the sunshade. And with the gloves on, well, I just glued like 3 points, not the whole thing. So this is pretty snug now, and just let it dry, and that causes the problem to have the sunshade going loose. Yeah, it had to be glued with the super glue, and now it doesn't come off anymore. And success, it stays. Of course, we have to put the covering here back on, and the thing is ready to go. Anyway, these are the tools I used, and thanks for watching.